to the point that, being charismatic and those who are charismatic, it's just common to, pray to the Holy Spirit. Start to invoke the Holy Spirit, come Holy Spirit, and then you feel power and then you start praying. So we asked the Blessed Mother, became so real, and in fact asked us, why don't you start with me? Why do you always start with the Holy Spirit? I not give salvation to you. And so we started praying our prayer, invoking the Blessed Mother first, and asking her to lead us to the Holy Spirit, and the Holy Spirit comes to us. And this is why even in our retreat, He especially asked, the Lord especially asked us to isama ang Mommy. Even though Mommy is not going to do anything in that retreat, but the Lord wanted Mommy to be there because the Blessed Mother wanted to be real in our presence through our Mommy. And indeed, I'm sure we all felt and experienced our Blessed Mother. And this is why I would like to close our Mass with a song for our Blessed Mother. Magpapasikat ako ng konting alam ko sa Philippines. Palit ang yung talaga yung magpapasikat ako ng well, of course, Mother, correct. Again, actually, lahat ng nangyari sinabi dito sa Holy Mass, the Lord already told us in different places and parts in our prayer. As we were preparing Jerry, Zacchaeus, this particular call to be stirred up by the Holy Spirit. Not just to say, Lord, I love you, but actually to have a transformation, a radical. In fact, the Lord asked us for a radical faith. In fact, the Lord focused us on St. Luke. And the gospel today was St. Luke. And when we were reading that, Luke actually, in the first early part of Luke, there is the passage from Zechariah and the Blessed Mother. And they were one after another. And it really puzzled me because Zechariah was punished for questioning the angel. The Blessed Mother was not. And I had to, in my prayer, I had to open different Bibles and look for commentaries. And I said, Lord, I never questioned this. I mean, what I know and what you were telling me, our Blessed Mother did not lie. But when I look at the two lines of questions, they are the same questions. And I even had to ask Father Luigi Ignacio, who specialized in Mariology. And he explained to me that there was a contrast when you want to say Luke. First it was Zechariah and then a Blessed Mother. First a priest and not a priest. Zechariah, na-encounter niya ang Panginoon through the angel in the Holy of Holies.